Remove the blower tube assembly and rotate the wing nut to remove the front handle. Use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the base. Use a T10 and a T20 bit to remove the 14 screws securing the housing. Remove the fan baffle. Unplug the 2 connectors to remove the control electric assembly. Replace it with a new control electric assembly. Plug the 2 connectors and route all the wires in the wire traps. Install the fan baffle and rubber plug. Tighten the housing with the 14 screws. Tighten the base with the 4 screws. Install the front handle. Install the blower tube assembly.